YouTube, welcome back to the channel. You're watching this video because you want to know how to get free stuff on Amazon, and you're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. Well, this is because Jeff Bezos and the Amazon gang are gonna hate me for this, but I found a method how to get you free stuff on Amazon, and it's super easy. It takes just a few minutes and you're gonna essentially get yourself hundreds of dollars worth of stuff off Amazon. This uses coupon codes and gift card codes you can choose, and you're going to essentially be able to just buy things at your own will, and it's just going to be completely legit and free. So let me run through these steps on how you can go and get your free stuff now. So I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen. You need to grab your mobile phone for this, and you need to open up an internet browser. Doesn't matter if you're on Android, iPhone, Safari, Chrome, Firefox. Basically just open up the internet, and you need to type this website exactly how I'm going to type it here, so make sure you pay attention. www.speedycoupons.com. So speedycoupons.com. Press go, and it's going to take you directly to the website. If you don't come directly to the website, go back and make sure you type it like I did then. And this page basically, guys, has tons of stuff on. We need to look for Amazon. So go to the search bar here and just type in Amazon. Pretty easy. Even a baby could do this. Well, probably not. But yeah, someone very young could do this. Also very old, because old people are not very good at technology. Anyway, I'm blabbling now. Press this page. Amazon coupons and deals. Scroll down and you can see we have a few different choices here. But we're trying to get free stuff from Amazon. So obviously we need to focus on the either Amazon promo code for $100, or the Amazon gift card code that's $150. So just choose, obviously the $150 is probably going to be chose the most. So if it's available, you should see it on this page. So tap on show coupon for that one. And this is a $150 Amazon gift card code. Basically, guys, if you enter this into the redeem gift card page on the Amazon app or website, it's just going to credit you $150 to spend however you want across the entire website. So this is basically how you get free stuff. So tap unlock code, because you can see it's given us the start of the code, but we need the full code to be able to use it. So tap unlock code. This takes just a few seconds, so just be patient here. Okay guys, so you're going to come across this screen, which is completely normal, so don't panic. And it's actually really easy. We basically just need to complete any two of the tasks that come up on this screen. Depending on your country, you're going to get slightly different ones. I'm in the UK, so I'm getting some UK-based tasks. But you just need to complete two, and it's going to unlock our code. So basically, guys, you can see, for example, Family Island, it says download, then complete level 8 to unlock. So basically, this is a game that will have to basically download and get to level 8 on. So let me kickstart that download. Let's go back. So now I'm started the download on that. It's a completely free game just from the App Store. Now I can choose a second one. So for example, this one here says on the ask, get a free boxer short. And it says register, choose your boxers and start your trial. So this is like a free, basically I just have to create a free account on this website. So let me click on here. Answer whatever questions it asks. Get rid of the cookies, don't care about that. Proceed. Next step, and I'll just have to create a free account here. You can see I just need to input some information. So I'm going to go ahead and finish both of these tasks. So I just got to download this game. My internet's a bit slow at the minute. So let me pause the video, do these, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so just finished off both of those tasks. So I had to download that game and get to level 8, which I did. And then I also just finished off that survey and had to input my correct information because obviously it verifies I'm a real person. But you can choose any two tasks on this page, whatever you find the easiest to complete. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions. So once you've done two of them and fully completed two, it should now If you go to your tabs, see this tab pop up. If you don't see this tab, you might have done something wrong. So go back and do another one, but it should work once you've completed 2. And open it up, and it now has given me my gift card code for Amazon. So this is going to give me $150 free Amazon credit, basically, when I enter this into the redeem code page. And that is how you get free stuff on Amazon. Pretty easy, isn't it? It takes just a few minutes, and yeah, you're going to get $150 worth of stuff. You can choose any code on this page, and the process remains the same. You're just going to get your code, and you can enter it either in the basket, depending on your code, or you can enter it in the gift card page. So you've got to go to www.speedycoupons.com and get your free codes for Amazon. If you need any help getting your free stuff, just leave a comment below and I'll try and help people out, but please do give this a go first, because it does work. It's completely legit. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.